Here go the goaty.
Yeah.
Here go the goaty.
Take a picture of that. Look.
What are you doing?
He's beating at me. Y'all got 20 minutes to play.
And we finna feed them.
We ain't been teaching yet.
It ain't that time. We just trying to check out y'all home, you know. MTV crib. Y'all come back out and play.
They ain't gonna teach yet. They gonna come back out.
It ain't time yet.
That's where they sleep at over there.
I do not bite y'all. That's where they sleep at over there.
Yeah. They can go all the way down through there. Walk on down here with the fishing cane. I'm gonna take you down through the little my place.
How often do you come out here and see these goats?
I come every day. Every day. This is just a piece of mind.
We'll be back, goaties. This is beautiful. Now, how long you been raising goats?
I've been in goat breeding going on 26 years. Back in the days, I used to get goats $25 a piece. 25 every 4th of July. I used to go up there, Hooker, Mississippi. All the family would go up there and kill them. Did that for a long time.
So you gonna kill these goats?
I'm gonna kill Big Dick right there. His name Big Dick. Big Dick undid it. We screwed the line. But Big Dick undid everything he needed to do, and all of them is impregnated. For the 4th, he going down.
Can you pet them? Are they friendly?
No, they're not friendly at all.
Will they let you pet them?
No. They listen to me, but I never pet them. I pet them when they did.
So how you get them back in the pen?
I'm gonna show you a trick how I get them in the pen. Don't go for the car. I'm kind of spooky.
Can't walk up on them. Yeah, y'all come to Big Daddy. Come to Big Daddy. Come to Big Daddy. Hey, how y'all doing? My name is Al, and you know, I just want to say it's a pleasure to be out here with y'all. Y'all know what time it is, don't it?
They think you gonna feed them.
Y'all come to Big Daddy. I'm just like you. I'm just like you, baby. Y'all come to Daddy. Here go the goaty.
Yeah.
Here go the goaty.
Take a picture of that. Look.
What are you doing?
He's beating at me. Yeah.
And what's his name right there?
Huh? Hornee.
Y'all come holler at me. My first time in y'all neck of the woods. Y'all see him up there.
I love doing this. It's a piece of mind. I love doing it. Been in it for years. Love it. Anybody have a female goat for sale? Text me or let somebody know. I'm looking for 2 female goats. My female goats is getting a little too old. So one can keep it going. You got 2 female goats. I will pay whatever you need for it. Please get in touch with me.
Look at him, he taking care of y'all, man. My uncle taking care of these goats. You really, hey, pets are wagging wonderful, man. Y'all eat y'all thing, man. Do y'all thing, baby.
Danny? Why you doing that?
You got in the food.
Huh? She impregnated.
Oh, she is?
She was born in February. Somebody stole her nookie.
Already?
Yep. She was born in February. She is good and pregnant. She is good and pregnant. Yep. Hey, don't let me. Come here. Come here, Girly. Her name Girly. She don't like no way messing with her nookie. He got a little gangster. He don't play by his female.
So he running things around here.
He running things right now. But he going down for the fourth though.
What? What's his name?
Huh?
What's his name?
His name Go Get Him. Right there, Go Get Him. You see the side testicle he got? he don't play with it. He smell everything got there. Look at it. Yeah. So these the baby goats were born in February right here. Yeah. Look at it.
Pets are wagging wonderful. These my uncle Pet's goats, and you know it's just amazing to see ownership, black pet ownership. He got the black boots, he got a black beard. You know, I ain't never seen nothing like that before. You might never either. So just a wonderful experience that pets are wagging wonderful could bring this to you.